Welcome my friends to my Shri Super Garden. Today my topic of the day is this beautiful plant called the cycas plant. It belongs to family Cycadaceae. As like pinus plant, this plant is also evergreen and belongs to gymnosperm. What are gymnosperm? Gymnosperms are very ancient plants, and the basic feature of the gymnosperm plants are that they bear naked seeds. That is, the seed is not inside the fruit. So it is a very ancient features, and through the evolution it has not evolved. This plant is basically 2 million years old and it has not evolved. It is as 280 million years ago. It is now also at this stage without any evolution, because these plants have very ancient features. The other fact about this plant is that it has xerophytic character, means that it requires very minimum amount of water. If the plant is fully established, even if you don't water it for 10 days, this will not harm your plants. It is very good to grow. It is greenish in color and provides a very good beauty in your garden. This plant is called living fossil. Why this plant is called living fossil? Because this plant bears the ancient features, and it's 280 million years is the origin is 280 million years back. It grows in subtropical or tropical climates, and you can see the stem. So one very interesting fact about this plant is that these plants have got two different types of roots. The basic main roots and the other root you can see here. These are the corolloid roots which comes above the soil. When your plants grow older, these corolloid roots come above the soil. This feature of this corolloid root is that it's a symbiotic relationship of roots bears blue-green algae. The cycas plant provides these blue-green algae with food material, and in return this corolloid roots provides nitrogen by its nitrogen fixation bacteria Cyanophaceae. So the other important aspect of this is that these plants are monoecious, that is, their plants are male plants, and the difference is the female plants. Yani, that is, the male plant and the female plants are different. These plants bear fruit after 10 fruit. This plant bears flower after 10 to 15 years. I have grown this plant in this pot, you can see, and it's such a big growth. This plant requires a good amount of sunlight, but it can grow in shade also with a filtered sunlight. For a smaller plant, you can have a smaller pot. So I told you that these plant for flowering, they bear male cone. The flowers are known as male cone and the female cone. And the potting mix for this plant should be very well drained. You can take 1 part one part soil, 1 part sand, 1/8 part castor cake powder, neem cake powder, 1/8 part, and 1/8 part vermicompost, and half part cocoa peat. So you mix the soil well and you can plant this beautiful plant. To propagate this plant, you can see the small bulbils coming out. When it grows bigger, I will take out this bulb detach it from the main branch, and I will plant it in a smaller pots. Its growing period is the onset of summer, where the leaf starts to come out from the center. Here you can see this center will bear numerous branches and it will come out. When the new branches are coming out, you have to take care that no insects infestation should be there, because the new leaves which comes out gets infested by caterpillars and eat away all the new leaves. So you have to take care that no caterpillars infest these plants. So for potting, you mix all the soil well and place the plant in the pot. So thank you, my friend, for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you have any problem in growing this plant, you place your problem in my comment box and I will give the answers. So you add this plant in your garden, it will stay evergreen. When the new leaf starts growing out in the March season, then I will cut these leaves because you can see the leaves are turning yellow. So I will cut this plant and I will have more leaves in the March season. So thank you, my friends. Be happy, stay healthy, connect to nature and connect to God. Thank you.